If you're still paying for apps like Photoshop, Grammarly, or AI voice tools, you're literally wasting money. Because today I'll show you free AI tools that do the same work, no subscription, no trial. And tool number 4 shocked me the most, so don't skip. Most students and creators pay thousands every month for apps they don't even fully use. So I tested multiple free AI tools and replaced my paid apps completely. Let's start. Blank. First, Grammarly Premium. Paid, limited, and annoying pop-ups. This is language tool, completely free. Are you ready? Same grammar check, same suggestions, zero money. And the next day I can replace a 1000 rupees per month design app. Puzzle piece tool number 2. Photoshop crossmark right pointing arrow Photopea checkmark. Photoshop is powerful, but expensive. Meet Photopea. Works in browser. Right finger. Show background removal, PSD edit, no install. No watermark, no subscription. Now the next AI saves the most money. Puzzle piece tool number 3. Canva Pro crossmark right pointing arrow Microsoft Designer checkmark. Most people buy Canva Pro for designs. But Microsoft Designer is free and AI powered. Right finger, text to image, poster generation. Perfect for students, Instagram pages, and YouTubers. If this saved you money, hit like. Puzzle piece tool number 4. Paid AI voice crossmark right pointing arrow TTS maker checkmark. 310 to 420. AI voice tools charge per minute. But TTS maker gives realistic voices for free. Right finger, generate voice right pointing arrow play sample. You can use this for YouTube, Reels, and projects. And the next AI removes background in one click. Puzzle piece tool number 5. Remove.bg crossmark right pointing arrow clip drop checkmark. 420 to 520. Background removal without watermark. Right finger, before right pointing arrow after, one click. Done. No login required. Puzzle piece bonus tool. Notion I crossmark right pointing arrow Chat GPT free checkmark. 520 to 620. People pay for Notion AI. But Chat GPT free can do notes, summaries, ideas, everything. Right finger, show prompt plus output, rocket value summary. Let's calculate. Photoshop, Grammarly, Canva, AI voice. That's 5,000 rupees plus per month saved using free AI. If you want more free AI that replaces paid apps, subscribe now. Which paid app do you want me to replace next? Comment below.